Hello and welcome. I have a separate series going where I play on my Town Hall 18 account, going from Electro 32 to Legends, hopefully. And while I have done all my ranked attacks for this week, I thought why not do some attacks with my second account, which is Town Hall 17. A bit rushed, I mean, especially the wars, but yeah, I am Titan 27 right now. And yeah, maybe we can go up those leagues a bit. I have already done 7 of the 18 attacks, and I have to do the rest today. And yeah, the army that I'm playing is, I don't know how to call this. It is Mass Furnace fused with Yetis and the log launcher. I have this army from someone. I think his name was The Catalyst, if I remember correctly. I used to play just Mass Furnaces, which I got from Shock, which was my favorite army in the game for a long time. And I feel like this tweaked version by The Catalyst is really nice with the log launcher and the Yetis. And yeah, I still have to improve with it. There are certain things that should happen in the attack that don't always happen in my execution. So for example, the Barbarian King is supposed to go to the inside, which doesn't always work for me. But I'm trying, and yeah, let's just see, I guess. So yeah, I think I explained everything. And yeah, the army is set up. I'm just gonna go into it. Okay, we have a Town Hall 16. Okay, that's interesting. It's a bit weird, you would think, because it's a town hall below me, it should be very easy. But one thing I realized is you shouldn't underestimate bases just because they're below you. And especially the Eagle Artillery is going to be annoying because the Warden Walk is not that quick, and if I place down too many furnaces, then the Eagle Artillery is just gonna take down my furnaces, so I have to be a bit careful with that. I could start the rest of my attack already, and then the Eagle Artillery... Wait, let me concentrate for a moment here. That Tesla is annoying to the left. The one seems to be walking to the left, which is not really what I wanted. Okay, the Minion Prince is not yet targeting the Warden, which is good. I'll just let him walk for a bit. Okay, that's nice. We can take out the Minion Prince. Nice, that's good. Yeah, the Warden is not going where I wanted him to go at whatsoever. He's really going to the left, isn't he? He's gonna take out the Town Hall though now. Huh. I wanted to fireball something there. I still might, but I'll have to use a bunch of invisibility spells. I have to get going though, this is close. I let him... Oh my gosh, this is actually getting close in terms of time. Destroy that, destroy that. I think this is too close in time. This is good. Let's do this. Then let's get the rest started ASAP. I need to get going here very quickly. Otherwise this is going to be a time fail for sure. And this is already way too close. Oh no, I really slept on the time there. Let's rage these up. Let's also rage these up. I still have the Barbarian King ability, at least. Which I'm gonna use now. Okay, this is oh my god. This is... Oh my god. That is so hilarious. That is so hilarious. Oh my god. Oh my god. I really, really did not look at the time enough. I started way too late, and it still somehow ended up being a 3-star, but like the closest 3-star imaginable. Oh my god. Yeah, that's hilarious. Oh my god. Anyway, let's get to the next attack. Okay, let's get to the next attack. And let's try to be a bit more quick with everything. I don't see that much fireball value. There's a quick fireball here that gets decent value, although not amazing. I'm going from the top. Although the bottom looks interesting as well for a fireball. Like a quick fireball in the bottom there. Could have been good actually, could have been very simple, but yeah. Now I'm already on the top. I could recall the one before I'm doing the fireball, which is not the plan. If I fireball the monolith, I get the clank castle, which is nice. So I think that's what I'm going for. Oh my god, guys. Chill out. Oh my god. Can you deal with those two? It's a bit close, but yeah, he's fine. Okay. Now I'm starting the rest. I think I'm going from... Where's the warden walking? I would like to start from the other side. Okay. I'm doing this. Okay, the warden is going to move into the center. Okay, the town hall is down, which is good. Should place down my furnaces. I'm gonna recall you guys. Oh, that was a bit close. Okay, doesn't matter. Where's the Barbarian King? On the bottom there. I'm gonna use the ability, so we open up all these walls. Luckily the multi-gear is also already gone, so that's good. Yeah, it's looking good, it's looking good. Nice. We can swag a spell. 2 spell space. Yeah, but as always, these kinds of attacks are always a bit close in time, but this time it wasn't as close as the last one, so hey, that's an improvement. Okay, let's keep going. What am I fireballing here? I'm not sure. Maybe something on the left like this looks good. I'll walk a bit, use a spell to keep the warden alive through the single target Inferno Tower. And then I try to fireball that. I mean, the other multi-target Archer Tower also looks good because I get the Scatter Shot and the Poison Tower, which is nice. Should have maybe placed down the Furnaces there. Let's use the Rage, just so we don't need any other invisibility spells for this. Okay, this is good. Let him take that. Yeah, that's fine. I'll just use this for good measure. This is good. I'm very happy with this, yeah. Okay, and then he's gonna walk to the bottom. Do I like that? Probably not. Where do I want to do the other part of the attack? Okay, he walks to the top. I like that more. Yes. I want to do the attack from here. No, no! Oh my god. He died so quickly then. I was watching the warden. He died so quickly. Oh no, and I should have also popped that Barbarian King ability way earlier. Then he wouldn't have gotten stuck so much on the walls. Or I should have placed him nearer to the entrance of the log launcher so he could have gone into the core. Seeing a few things I could improve. Yeah, that's unfortunate. This is not going to be a triple. Hopefully I still get the Town Hall though. These witches are annoying. And these ice golems. Oh, I should place the furnaces too. Forgot about that. Maybe we should have placed them on the same building. Oops. Oh no, she's not even going to go to the town hall. Okay, but the fire mites are going to. Are the fire mites going to get the monolith? Looks like it. I mean, I'm closer than I thought, honestly. This is a bit closer than I thought. I didn't think this would be a time fail, but it is. Although a time fail by quite a lot. Yeah. Interesting, yeah. Yeah, I really shouldn't have let the warden die there. I mean, the warden should stay alive. That's always important for this attack. Okay, let's go for the next attack. Weird fire spitter placement. I'm seeing a lot of single target Inferno Towers today, which I don't like. I'm fireballing something with the Town Hall, maybe this year if I can. Yes, let's do that. I hope he doesn't run into the range of the monolith and the multi-target Archer Tower at the same time. No, he doesn't, okay. What about the Town Hall and the monolith? I have to be careful, because he can die really quickly. Ah, this is a bit earlier than I wanted. This is gonna go to the Town Hall, I'm fine with that. Do I recall him? How dangerous is the Town Hall alone? Oh, okay. Let's do this. Let's start the second part of the attack. Okay, that wasn't a good. Okay, let's place him down again. Now the clan castle troops are moving somewhere else. Missed a chance to keep the world champion alive. Where's the barbarian king, by the way? Oh no, okay, he's moving somewhere else. The archer queen is going to die there, sadly. Hopefully the healers are not all gonna go into the Giga Bomb. They actually all did go into the Giga Bomb. I know there's already a rage spell there, but... No, okay. So, yeah, if the Warden actually attacked the Wizard Tower, this would be a triple. This way it could still be a triple, although he's going to attack the wall again, isn't he? Please! Oh my god, is this close? Oh my god. So close. Maybe I maybe it's the rage spell. Maybe I just dropped the rage spell again because I just dropped it a bit further, like a bit more to the front, because I thought, you know, that way the warden stays raged up, but I should have saved it for that last part. Maybe that would have made the difference. I don't know. Maybe it wouldn't have made the difference, to be fair, but maybe it would have, so yeah. Anyway, let's get into the last attack of the day, and yeah, this is going to be a triple. I'm just saying it now. I'm gonna give my best at least. Two fire splitters in weird directions. These bases look so badly built, and it is kind of badly built, but sometimes I fear these amateurish built bases. There's so much stack damage. I am going to go from the top. Please attack the single target Inferno Warden, instead of wasting so much time on everything else. Okay, nice. Didn't... Okay, that's good, that's good. I kind of want to start the rest of the attack already, but that's a bit risky. Because I might... Oh my god. But I want to, I really want to. Okay, I'll rage the Warden. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna do this. What am I doing? I'm very... This is not how you're supposed to do this attack. Oh no, the Archer Queen is dying. I am going to fireball just something in here. Maybe the Town Hall is good, yeah. I mean, obviously if I fireballed it earlier it would have been better. But it's still okay. I'm not doing this attack how you're supposed to do it. I'm just doing it in whatever way. But I think this seems to be working. I didn't want to save the Barbarian King, but I'm just going to save him. I wanted to swag both spells, but, you know, okay. It's okay. I'm just gonna swag one. Nice one. Okay. Nice. That still worked out somehow. Well, I mean, that last attack, like I said, I have this attack from my, I think, the Catalyst, and I've never seen him do this, right? You're supposed to place down the Warden, then at some point do the Fireball, and then recall him when he goes into danger or when he's going in a direction where you don't want him. You're not supposed to recall him and then do the Fireball at like a completely different spot. That's not how you're supposed to use it. We did that, it worked out. I think a reason it worked out also, I did take out the Fire Splitter that was facing in the other direction. I think I wouldn't have placed the Warden on the top there if there hadn't been like a Fire Splitter. I mean, let me just rip. Yeah, replay. I wouldn't have placed the Warden on top here if there weren't these two Fire Splitters facing with the back to there. Like, that's the only reason I placed the Warden there, because I didn't want to deal with them coming from the bottom. I could have started from the left here, where I placed him down later, did the Fireball, and then recalled him to the top there. That would have worked too. But then I would have had to do the other part of the attack with the Log Launcher from a completely different spot maybe. So, I don't know, it just kind of seemed right after that point. Obviously, we did still trigger the Clan Castle. I don't even know if you can consider this high value, like what we got. I mean, we got both Ricochet Cannons with the Fireball. I mean, let me just speed it up. Yeah, in moments like this, this takes so long, come on, bro. In situations like this, you can argue that this wasn't the best Fireball too, like the best Fireball value. Maybe there's a better Fireball, a better way to do this attack. Probably there is, but at the end of the day, we got 3 stars, and that's all that really matters as far as I'm concerned. Yeah. It did clear a bunch of defenses, so yeah. Well, anyways, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you soon.